live north central Oklahoma, Charles weather. This is a live report. We are watching this hurricane. It's gonna move pretty much on, make landfall. Pretty much on the. It'll be the second at 12:09. Here's the path. It's been a category 1 since right here. And it's been category 1 since right here. And just gonna continue moving this path right here next several days. Florida is already getting preset. So the second it'd be right here at 12 a.m. This is the center right now. Pretty good sized storm, precipitation wise. We're gonna continue watching this one. Like I said, this is gonna be the path. I'm gonna zoom out and give you a full view of what's going on path wise. This is the expected path. Oklahoma's all clear. We got a front right here. But nothing else going on in central U.S. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video for today. Today's date. This the pretty much the tracking of the new hurricane that's going to hit Florida. Oh, I better bring up the information. Okay, let's close that out. We will be doing this coverage off and on today, throughout the day. We'll keep you updated on this hurricane. If you are just joining us, we are covering our hurricane. This is what we're doing. Going to be spicing the updates as we go in one video later. Okay, here's the track still. This is the expected track. It should hit pretty much tomorrow. Actually gonna scrape the coastal line and go up and around. Just like the last hurricane we had. It probably hit around south part, I bet you, or over here by Jacksonville. But this is the projected path of the hurricane will be taking. The ice right here, we can almost see the I know what to do. This is the hurricane warnings, marine warnings right here. These two colors. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put some wind on so you can see what's going on inside the storm itself. We're gonna take a minute to show up. Right here's the eye. Right in here. That'll be the low pressure, will it? Be over here somewhere. It's pretty close. because it's the winds, upper level winds. Let me see if it's the upper winds. That's a jet stream, his ground winds. Let's see what that looks like. See if it's even better. Okay, that's more like it right there. That's more. That's the ground winds. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom out and show you what we got going on throughout the country. Takes a minute or two to got some storms in Texas and some lightning. So there's only storm warning here in Texas right there. We'll go ahead and zoom out and get a wide picture of what's going on. Got a lot of fire off the west coast, off the west coast. What we're gonna do is go like this. Turn that off real fast. Turn that off. We go ahead and leave the hurricanes on. We take off the fires. That's what we got. This is what we have going on rain wise. Temperatures, we can go ahead and turn that off. This is the preset right here, guys. But this is the newest update. And here's the track that formed here. It's been wobbling, and it's gonna bow to the northeast and hit the northeast coast somewhere. We got some showers and thunderstorms blowing up in Kansas, slowly moving it into Oklahoma. This is 8/22/8/1/2020 right now. That's the time. Wichita, you get storms to your west developing. But yeah, we're gonna continue watching this radar and give you updates next 2 days. Okay, we'll be looking at the radar off the coast of Florida today. That's what's going on right now at 5/42/8/1/2020. We're waiting for this storm to move on coast tomorrow sometime. It's gonna speed up once and you're gonna ride up the coastline by the looks of it. Hit northeast somewhere. Let's see what we have here. We're gonna find a different radar site. We go right here so we get a better view. I think it'd be more over here. Yeah, this is more. I like it. I think it's right here. Spanish somewhere in here, so that might be the eye right there. We're gonna bring up the towns. We're gonna continue watching this. It's still pretty far off the coast. We're gonna check the distance. Where's that span? We just say it's right in here. We're gonna the closest land. Actually, that would be the closest land. It's 66.9 miles, but Florida. The islands is 117 miles. The lake by the bay is pretty much 133.6. So we're gonna continue watching this storm. I believe the eye has to be somewhere's in here. It got to be the eye right here by the looks of it. We're going to zoom out a little bit more. Oh, I can't zoom out unless I clear that. It's a better view of what's going on. That's the eye right there. No, this is the rain band. Florida, you got a thunderstorm warning here. Oh, actually, special marine. As far as 1 hour. So we're gonna continue watching this. Here's a special marine message. We're gonna go ahead and make this into single radar. Get a better look at this storm. Just now get into the main the real-time radar site zone. This big round circle indicates the radar. Pretty much Oklahoma, the weather's pretty, it's okay. Texas has some thunderstorms. West Abilene. Let's see what we got here. What Dallas looks like. Dallas, let's see what you look like. Dallas is all clear. We're gonna be jumping between radars to the off and on. Here's the storm track. Quite a bit of lightning. We're gonna turn off this radar right now, the hurricane track. Turn that off. That's what it looks like, guys. A lot of these bands and stuff. This can be the track. Here's the time. So like I said, this is the more in the middle of this, this line right here indicates the most certain track. It can go left, it can go right, left, or it can go right. So we're gonna keep an eye on this. Here's the newest information over here to the right. I'm gonna scroll down. It's a hurricane warning. Here's the details. So we're gonna go ahead and take a break. This is the break, and I'll pop back on after a bit. If you just watching us, we're tracking the hurricane. It's pretty much it's slowly moving towards the east coast of Florida. And it's gonna ride up the pretty much right up the shoreline. So we're going to keep an eye on the storm as the storm develops. Here's all the newest detail. We're gonna go ahead and look at the main radar with that. That's Texas. This is a thunderstorm warning right here. You can see it spin. I'm going to continue watching this as it develops. what is going to happen. It's going to go up. It's going to probably not hit the coast, and it's going to ride up the course like that one hurricane that we already had. And it's going to go along the northeast coast and make landfall that way. We're going to continue watching the storm. Here's the projected path. It could make landfall. Still has a chance of making landfall, but more likely it follows this line. This is a cone on certainty. Here's the projected path right here. We had an earthquake out here. You see the data, it's 4.6, small one. We got some new development right there. Zoom out a little bit more. And we got some tropical weather over here. Tropical weather. Here's the projection of the storm. And we got several earthquakes here and there. That's a 5.5. And this is we're going to get the data received. That's a 5.1. Okay, we're gonna take a break, and we're gonna continue this, watching this as the days unfold. Hey guys, this is the update on the tropical, the hurricane I'm at. I'm sorry, it's still off the coast. It's gonna be off the coast for a while. It's gonna more likely go along along the coast, like this arrow I showed. We're gonna bring out some more data. I'm gonna back this out a little bit. There we go. That's what's going on right now, data-wise. Right here is pretty much, we got a little spin right here. We're gonna bring up the other radar in a few minutes. Let me go ahead and do this. Change that. I'm not gonna be able to change it. Maybe we can get down here and see if that helps change it. That didn't help one bit. That just shows you all this down here. Okay, we go back to the one we was on, radar mode. It's right up in here. This will be the path. Now it looks like it's gonna go along the coast now, more likely. There could be a Hurricane 5 out there. Is that right? Or is that? That's not a 5, that's an S, is it, guys? I think that's an S. Yeah. So it's gonna stay as a category 1. I don't have my glasses on. I don't even know what I do with my glasses. But anyhow, it's gonna stay as a 1, and it's gonna weaken. So that's the good news. It's gonna weaken, and it's gonna stay weakened. It's gonna ride up the coast. This is the newest update. This is 8/30/8/1/2020. Back out to the sea by the 6th. pretty straight this time. It's got a little bit of wobble, but it's going pretty straight for the last 24 hours. It's hard to predict these storms. It's like because of the wobble. You can see the wobble. They don't always go straight. They wobble like this as it goes up. But we got some storms in northeast Oklahoma that developed recently. It's heading towards Tennessee. Woodworth, you had some showers and thunderstorms move through earlier. Ena, you got the showers and thunderstorms. So we're gonna keep an eye on these storms right here as they move south. Tennessee, you'll be getting rain pretty soon. What we have over here is time-wise. Elk City, you'll be getting rain a little bit. I'm gonna zoom back out, guys. But that's what we have going on in Oklahoma. I wasn't really expecting anything, but it's all to our north and west of Stillwater. Here's a better picture of what's going on. It's got showers and thunderstorms throughout the country. Like I said, we're watching this thing right here, this hurricane. This is probably the last update today. I'm gonna go ahead and push this video out. We'll start over again tomorrow. And this is pretty much behind the scenes live feeds off the line. Like I said, Oklahoma, you got showers and thunderstorms in the northeast part of the state. Lawton, you might get some rain. Norman, we might keep an eye on it. Anything west of I-35, you got higher chance of precipitation, and we got stuff right here in Kansas. It might move into the state overnight. More likely a weekend before it hit us. But we see what happened on that. Texas, you pretty much clear. But we're gonna go back to the live radar and take a look at that storm here in Oklahoma with us. Here's a hurricane again. You're watching. Here's all the severe weather. Arizona, Texas got a storm right there. Zoom out. We'll go ahead and, this is Texas out there. We'll go ahead and hit Oklahoma with that. I'll go hit Oklahoma City radar, zoom out a little bit, show you what's going on. This is storms, this is live. Then zoom in. Here's all the towns that will be affected. Tennessee, you're getting rain now. Leely, you're getting rain too. Putnam, you got stray shower, sprinkle or two. Dover, watch out. Kingfisher. Crescent, you got a chance of rain. So we're going to continue watching these storms. It looks like they're strengthening up. We got something going on in here. Because you got red and green together. See it? It actually looks like it's starting to strengthen. We'll go ahead and keep an eye on this storm right here while it moves into Lindy and probably Clip Cherokee. This is what we're watching right now. It actually is strengthening. It's starting to strengthen. Right there, it looks pretty tight. We're watching this right here. Got a little spin there. gonna take a little commercial break, and I'll be right back. Hello. If you just joined us, we're watching storms in Oklahoma. We were doing a hurricane coverage, and we got some stray storms that pop up. Laney, you're in the path of these storms. They're not. We don't have no actually severe warnings, but it looks like it's kind of got something going on in there. So, that's what we'll be watching this for a while. Elk City, you in the path. Tennessee, you'll be getting rain. Kingfisher, you in the path. You're going to flip your crescent. It's all moving this direction. These lines right here shows you direction. We're going to bring up the big radar again. This is what's going on. This is the big picture. Throughout the country, we got showers and thunderstorms scattered. I don't really see any major warnings going on. Got one right here. Flood warning. We'll go back to hurricane. It's still a little ways from Florida. Right here. We can go here and get in here pretty tight. We're supposed to be right here at 12 a.m. tonight, tomorrow morning. So, like I said, we're going to continue watching this. This is the path that we'll be taking. Zoom back in. This line right here is this line would be the most likely path. It'd be right in this line with wobble. It'd wobble like that. So it'll be off the coast, pretty close to the coast. It can go left, it can go right. You can stay off the coast, or you can go into the coast. So we're gonna kind of keep an eye on this. It's hard to predict these storms because they have wobble. We call it wobble. You can see what I'm talking about when you zoom back out. They don't always go in a straight line. They zigzag. You got an earthquake right here, pretty good size. A 5 magnitude. But this way it's formed. It wobble. We wait for it to reboot. It wobble and hit land. Wobble, went across. Right here. And it's still traveling. So we'll see what happens with the storm when it comes tomorrow. Tomorrow it'll be right in here. 6 p.m. it'll be right here off the coast. Right there. So around, you could hit the coast between, I figure about 3 to 6 o'clock right in here. If it stays off the coast, more likely I think it's going to turn into the coast and might weaken completely quite a bit. See what happens. We go back to the live radar in Oklahoma. We're watching these storms right here moving towards Elk City, Tennessee, Kingfisher, Crescent. We'll go ahead and click on here. We'll head back to Florida. Oh, that's New Mexico. Louisiana got some storms. Orlando. Radar site. Here it goes. This will be the closest radar site to the storm that we've been tracking. We're gonna continue to watch the storm. I think if you live in this area right here, along in here, go ahead and take your hurricane precaution. Be a category 1 once it hits. Yeah, we think all this. I think it might, it might pretty much, clip us clip right in here, and probably right up the coast, like that, like what the model says. We're gonna kind of take a better look at that right here. I think more likely the landfall will be around. Pretty close right here. Like I said, it can shift to the left. Right here, it's going to probably hit landfall more likely. So I figured back from here, this area right here, just take your storm precautions. Okay, we're going to zoom back out, back to Oklahoma. Got the storm right here, Central Texas. The storm right here, we're going to continue watching. It's starting to weaken. Got the weaken now. Just the daylight heating's pretty much almost, it's living off the heat of the day. So this should be dying down as it moves south. Okay. Take a better look. Clear that out. And zoom back into the warnings. Take a look. Arizona. That's a severe storm. It's all looks like it's moving these directions right here. There's another one in Arizona. That one has some pretty good sized hail. In Texas, watch out if you live right here. Santa, Aria, watch out. I say that right. Not the best English talker. You can zoom out and get a better look at this. It's all South Texas with all the main preset. We're going to go back to northeast Oklahoma for now. No storm reports. We go to Oklahoma City radar. We're gonna watch these right here move in. Like I say, these should be waking as the night, as the sun goes down. So you can see the waking. See how smaller they're getting. Watch my data. Watch my data. Starting to weaken. This one's still kind of doing good. The one over here, yeah, it's weakening quite a bit. Tennessee, you should be getting rain anytime now. Should be sprinklings on the north part of Tennessee. Marshall, you'd be getting rain. We'll go ahead and take a break, and I'll come back in as these storms, I want to thank y'all for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and I keep you updated, and I'll keep you ahead of any storm. This is Charles signing off. See you next time. Thanks again, guys.